students. Nice to see you. Hello, everyone. Come on in. Take a seat. Let's get started quickly. Do you have your books? Please take out your books. Today, we are on Unit 2. Unit 2 is about the environment, causes and effects of climate change. Please open your book to Unit 2. Good. You got it? Look at the box. There are 3 warm-up questions in the box. Let me read them for you. Number 1, is the weather changing in your country? How so? Number 2, what are some ways that humans have affected the environment? Number 3, what is the biggest environmental problem in your country? Don't answer yet. I'll give you a minute to think about it. Look at your book and think, discuss with a partner. Okay, question number 1. Is the weather changing in your country? Yes, students? Student says, it doesn't snow often. It's hot. Let me help you with academic language. Snowfall is decreasing. Temperatures are rising. Polar ice is melting. Did you say polar ice is melting? Yes, it is. Let's use the word deglaciation. Increasing temperatures are causing deglaciation. Good. Okay, question number 2. What are some ways that humans have affected the environment? Yes? Oh, my student says, places where plants and animals live are being burned down for farming. They are. You're right. Good answer. Let me help you with academic language. Ecosystems are being destroyed for farming. Listen again. Ecosystems are being destroyed for farming. Good job. Another answer? There is a lot of gas in the air. Good answer. Good. That gas is called greenhouse gases. You can say there are higher levels of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Here's the word atmosphere. You can say burning fossil fuels contributes to carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which leads to global warming. I'll say that again. That was a little long. Burning fossil fuels contributes to carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which leads to global warming. Good. Question number 3. What is the biggest environmental problem in your country? Oh, yes. Air pollution. Climate change. Yes, like flooding, drought, rising temperatures, water scarcity, human waste, industrial waste. Good job, guys. Those are good answers. Now, turn to the reading on the next page. The title is Our Changing Planet. I've made our reading into a presentation. Just listen and follow along. Enjoy the pictures. The Uppsala Glacier in Argentina used to be one of the biggest glaciers in South America. In 1928, it was covered in ice and snow, but now the glacier is melting at an annual rate of about 650 feet, so the area is covered in water. This is evidence of global warming. In the last 100 years, the global temperature has gone up by around 1.33 degrees Fahrenheit. This may not sound like much, but such a small increase is causing sea levels to rise and threaten the habitat of many species of plants and animals. Let's wait to finish that. At the end of class today, you need to turn in a cause and effect chart. Let me show you an example. is an example of a cause and effect diagram that I've already made for you. Here are the causes and effects of air pollution in New Delhi. You'll need to choose an environmental issue that you'd like to write an essay on. Before you write your essay, use a cause and effect diagram like this to help you organize your thoughts. Let me show you how I've created this one. And at the end of class today, we'll go to the computer lab so you can start creating your own. I used Google Drawing for this, so go to your Google Drive, click New. If you don't see Google Drawings, go to More, and there it is. To start your drawing, use a shape in the middle for your environmental issue. I like to use an arrow because it's a cause and effect diagram. Now, double-click on your shape to add text. The reading we've completed today was about global warming, so I'll go ahead and put that in the middle. For a cause and effect diagram, I'd like you to have at least 3 causes and effects. I'll simply use a rectangle for my causes and effects, but you can choose anything you like. To speed things along, I will copy and paste, and then I can place them about on my screen. The red snap lines will help you line things up nicely in your diagram. So it's really fast to quickly line things up and make a diagram that's pleasing to the eye. Looks like I'm not quite lined up. There we go. And I'll need to put a title on my diagram, so I'll use a text box here. To speed things along, I'll next skip to the lines. You can choose lines in any design you like. I'll just go with the arrows for now. Connect up your diagram. Put in your title. And I'll show you my completed diagram. I have the causes of global warming, according to the article we've read, on the left side: burning fossil fuel, deforestation, rising human population, and the effects on the right side: deglaciation, climate change, loss of ecosystems. At the end of today's class, we'll go to the computer lab where you can get started on your own cause and effect diagram. The topic you choose will also be the environmental issue for your essay due at the end of the week. Good luck!